This project was important for me to select because it gave me an opportunity to give back to the team that I have been a part of for the last 5 years. In this particular instance, we were designing a test bench for my coaches to select the correct batch of ammo for each of our guns to help us compete in the most precise way possible. This can be seen in the fact that we ended up winning national championships this year. It's important for us to have ammo that's precise and matched to our guns because it helps us achieve reliable results in competition. This is especially important when we're competing at the top level. So this year we went and competed at national championships and ended up winning. So in that regard, it wouldn't have been possible without having confidence in our equipment that comes from having a test system like this.
One of the concepts we explored engineering this bench was usability. To achieve good usability, to move the bench around Paddy Center where it's going to be used, we added casters and a handle that can be flipped so it doesn't interfere with the gun while it's testing. Another thing we were considering is how to dampen the vibrations created by the shot itself. To overcome this hurdle, we designed this mounting system of the whole mechanism to the bench, which consists of a big hickory wooden block, and under the block we have a 8-polyurethane rubber mat that absorbs most of the vibration. Next up, we needed a recoil imitation. So for that, we picked a outside roller V-groove bearing rail, and the whole mounting mechanism, the device, is mounted to it through a adapter plate.
There's a custom making block, and there's a TINAs on the mounting block, and every rifle has a rail. You can just put the TINA into the rail and slide down, and then just tie them. Mount the whole gun on the vise. Also tie them.
This is our final product. We have a block that clamps to the firearm, which is then clamped inside the vise. This vise is then mounted to the rail carrier here, which rides on these rails and is actuated by the shrouded spring system mounted here. Our entire system is mounted to this custom-built table with assistance from the machine shop, Eric and Carter. The wheels and handle system allows us to easily move the system off the range and into storage and back quite conveniently.